Effort, the no-code DIY platform from Spores Today, helps seed manufacturers globally digitize farmlands to achieve cost-effective and smoother farm and business operations that result in higher predictability, productivity, and profitability. With the Effort platform, seed companies can today build applications on the web and mobile with ease to enable agents in the field to capture data on agricultural inputs and critical information on the growth of a seed variety at regular, defined intervals for further research and development. Managers can remotely monitor their agents and get a real-time view of activity on the field to evaluate the performance of the seed. The knowledge base built through Effort helps the agent engage with the farmer and educate him on modern farming methods and agribusiness trends, building a strong relationship of trust with the farmer. Effort helps farmers maximize productivity while ensuring sustainable agricultural practices. The data monitored and collected helps the seed companies create improved products in the long run, improving their market coverage and building trust with the farmers. Key benefits: onboarding farmers and preserving their data for future reference. Monitoring seed growth is essential for proactive yield management. Frequent visits strengthen the bond between dealers, distributors, and employees. Capture and confirm orders instantly, reducing back-office work and providing immediate PDF order confirmation. Effort brings innovation into your management with an array of features. Raise service requests through multiple channels: phone, email, IoT devices, geointelligence, intelligent allocation and time to reach based on availability, seamless API integrations, real-time visibility, real-time notifications, growing business, happy customer. Sign up and start your free trial. Save time and improve your productivity with Effort.